Let's take a look at the Battleborn Elite 375 watt 24 volt rigid solar panel Blackout Edition. This panel is designed for larger RV, mobile, and off-grid systems that want serious solar output per panel, paired with long-term durability and a clean, modern appearance. This is a 24 volt panel, which makes it well suited for higher voltage solar architectures where efficiency, reduced current, and fewer panels matter. One of the biggest advantages of the Elite 375 watt panel is how much power it delivers from a single module. At 375 watts, this panel allows systems to reach meaningful solar capacity using fewer panels, which can simplify mounting, wiring, and overall system layout. The Elite 375 watt panel uses advanced monocrystalline solar cells delivering up to 23% module efficiency. Higher efficiency means more energy production from the same available surface area, especially in real-world conditions where roof space is finite. ShadeGuard anti-shading and low light performance. This panel also features Battleborn's ShadeGuard technology. ShadeGuard helps maintain more consistent energy production in low light and partial shading conditions, which are common in real-world RV use. Whether you're parked near trees, dealing with shifting shadows throughout the day, or seeing partial obstruction on the panel, ShadeGuard helps reduce sharp drops in output so the system continues producing usable power. Built tough for long-term exposure, the Elite 375 watt panel is built for demanding environments. It uses a rigid anodized aluminum frame and low iron-tempered glass, and it's tested to withstand heavy snow loads, high wind conditions, salt mist, and constant UV exposure. This makes it well suited for long-term RV, marine, and off-grid installations where durability over years of exposure really matters. In addition to performance, the Blackout Edition brings a clean, all-black aesthetic. The dark cells, frame, and backing create a streamlined appearance that blends well with modern RV roofs and custom installations, offering a premium look without compromising performance. The Elite 375 watt 24 volt panel is designed to integrate cleanly into 24 volt solar systems and pairs well with Battleborn batteries and compatible charge controllers. It's backed by a 10-year product warranty and a 25-year linear performance warranty, reinforcing that this panel is built as a long-term power solution. The Battleborn Elite 375 watt 24 volt rigid solar panel Blackout Edition delivers high output solar performance, durable construction, and a clean, modern look in a single efficient panel. For larger systems that want to maximize power while minimizing panel count, it's a dependable solution designed for a real-world use.